Hello and welcome to the crypto trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from the content that we are posting. So guys, this video is about AutoTrade S2 trading bot. Alright, so we'll start from the top, just telling you in advance that we have properly provided all the instructions here and the disclaimer as well, so you can read it properly. So we will try to explain how it actually works. So you will select the pair. In this list we have multiple pairs. We are going to add more into this list. You will select the pair, enter the total budget that you wanted to allocate for this trade or order, and you cannot call it trade because we are going to execute multiple trade in this order. So profit percentage for selling. So if your setup goes into certain percentage profit, whatever you will select here, 1%, 2%, 3%, if it goes in that, then we have provided instructions as well here, you can read. And if it goes into the profit, then we will sell your coins and come back into the USDT, and once the market drops again, then we will start to buy. So the next thing is price drop percentage for each buy. So when you guys select the pair, enter all the details, and you click on create trade, so we will fetch the current price of the pair, and if the market drops 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever you will select from that price, from that point, then we are going to create the buy order at that point. And the budget we use to buy, you are going to select that percentage as well. Like for example, you have entered $1,000 here in the total budget, and the 1% of the 1,000 will be the $10. So the percentage you should set be careful in this, that it should lead to minimum $10 for each trade. So it's going to, if the market drops further and further and further, so we are going to continuously buy on each drop. So for example, you have bought link at 11, right? The first order executed at 11, and then the percentage, for example, you selected 1%. So if it falls 1% more, for example, it reaches 10.5 or 10, then we will buy more, right? So it counts the last buy price. From the last buy price, it counts from there. All right, so this is important to note, that from the last buy price we track the buying, and the order works accordingly. So this is important. And so once you reach the important thing here that we have mentioned, so once your budget is used 50%, then our bot will automatically take control of whatever percentage you have set for the drop, whatever percentage you have set for the budget. It will automatically use the safer mode for buying, and it will start buying to improve your DCA. All right, so your average cost is going to be improved, and you can actually take profit at a better price. All right, so this is how it's going to work, and you can actually place your order. Just one thing, make sure that the minimum budget for each trade should be $10. Right, it will keep on buying, it will keep on selling continuously, buying and sell, it will go on. All right, so when you come to the active trade section, you will be able to see profit earned here. You will be able to see your remaining budget, your total budget allocated for this, and you can see all these pair, budget, profit, all these information, how many coins have been purchased till now, and you will be able to see the detail of each purchase as well. And from here you can see, you can also edit this, and you can actually update the details as well. So this is important. And you can also go into the trade history, the trades which are closed, then you can see how much profit you have earned from the history, and all the history trades will appear here. And one more thing in this auto trade section is the master update. So in the master update, you can actually select the status, active, pause, or close. So what it will do is it will, for example, you have 10 or 20 trades, active trades going on, and you see market is going to drop market is dropping or bleeding and too much, things are going on. So instead of going and update and closing each trade separately, you can simply come here, just select master update, select the status. For example, you will say pause, you select update USDT, all USDT pairs. It means like all the active trades of the USDT pairs and just click on the update button. It will pause all of the pairs here at this point. So this is important. You can use this feature as well. We are going to more inputs into this section, and you can also update the percentages here. For the buy percentage, you can actually increase or decrease the buy percentage from here. Alright guys, I think this video will be helpful for you, and if still there are any questions, you can send us to Discord, or you can comment below to this video. We'll try to respond to you. Alright, thank you very much for your time, guys.